So, Apple announced their next event to be taking place on September 9th, where they're rumored to show off their new super slim iPhone 17 Air, new Apple Watch Series 11 with hopefully that blood pressure detection that we've been hearing about for years now, AirPods Pro 3, and maybe other cool stuff. But what does this mean for the rumored M5 Apple Vision Pro model that we've heard so much about, I hear you ask? Since September of last year, we've seen analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo and Mark Gurman talk about a refreshed Vision Pro with an M5 chip, possibly a new head strap, and maybe different colors. Yeah, we really don't know much. But we do know it exists thanks to the big Apple code leak a few weeks ago. Mac rumors found out that Apple added hardware identifiers into their OS code and forgot to remove them, meaning that we can confirm that there will be an Apple Studio Display 2, new HomePod minis, and most importantly to me, an M5 Apple Vision Pro. No information about release date or pricing was given, but it's unlikely that we'll see it in the September event. They'll most likely be pushing the M5 MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, iMac, and Vision Pro to a separate event in October, like they've done off and on in years past. It'll probably cost a similar amount to the original Vision Pro, which is a crazy $3,500, but no concrete prices just yet. It's a shame that it'll probably still be so expensive since it means that no average consumer can afford it, but hopefully the rumored cheaper Vision headset comes out in the near future. Anyways, what are your thoughts on the M5 Vision Pro? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and take care.